To paraphrase Shakespeare, to incorporate or not to incorporate, that is the question. Or whether or not to form an LLC to protect assets. A corporate veil or an LLC protects shareholders. It acts as a bubble. And generally to pierce through that veil, and the law isn't identical in all states, but I'm talking about Minnesota law and generally laws under other states. You have a veil or bubble around you if you are an owner or member of an LLC or the owner or member of a corporation. In other words, you are a shareholder, owner, director. That incorporation or forming of an LLC can protect you in certain cases, but you need to evaluate whether it's something you should do. For example, if your business, your LLC, or your corporation owns a truck, and that truck is financed with a bank, and you have personally guaranteed that loan to the bank, forming a corporation or an LLC will not protect you in the slightest because you have personally guaranteed that debt to the bank or to Packard Financial. Or if you have a truck on lease purchase, or your LLC does, and you've guaranteed it, it doesn't protect you, whether you form an LLC or a corporation. Let's take another example. You put your truck into a business, or you own it, let's say you own it individually, and then you should, if you're going to operate through your carrier business, either as an owner or operator through your corporation or LLC, which might be leased onto Prime or Swift or whomever, and you're the sole driver and you're driving down the highway and you reach for a cigarette and crash the vehicle, God forbid, and you kill somebody, or the truck crash kills somebody and you get sued, and you're the driver, a corporate veil or an LLC does not protect you from liability because that victim or that decedent's estate, children, family, or if somebody's maimed, sues you for negligence as the driver and sues your corporation. So those are at least some concerns. Do I generally advise that individuals, when they are owner-operators, take advantage of corporate status or LLC status? It may have certain advantages in the tax area, but generally, if you are the sole driver, it's going to provide you almost no protection in the area of liability for personal injury or contract, so long as you continue to lease the truck to your business or you personally guarantee a liability or obligation to a bank or a leasing company. So basically, you should talk to an accountant first before you talk to an attorney about the advantages of putting your owner-operator business into an LLC or into a corporation. Thanks for watching.